guys, and welcome back to Truly Cooking. Just kidding, it's still my voice, but Lauren will be making some awesome naans or flatbreads for you, inspired from Beth over at Budget Bites. Full recipe and link in the description below. Okay, let's get started. In a small bowl, let's go ahead and add some warm water. Not too hot though, as it will kill the yeast. Then add the sugar and the, yeast. Oh, a bit of a blunder there, got stuck. Then watch as the yeast starts eating the sugar, thus forming a nice bubble bath. Om nom 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 nom. After a couple of minutes of gazing into what looks like a volcano, go ahead and add the eggs, the oil, and yogurt, and start whisking until everything is combined. By adding yogurt and egg, and because we will cook this into a skillet, so not baking, our flatbread becomes a naan, or should I say a nice fluffy delicious naan. Set aside. Once done with all of our liquid chemistry, let's move on to the next sequence of dry elements. In a separate medium bowl, combine 1 cup of flour with the salt. After that, pour the wet ingredients to the flour and salt mixture and give it some nice gentle stir. Continue adding flour little by little, half a cup at a time, until everybody gets to know each other and you form somewhat of a cohesive dough. Remember to be patient at this stage and add little amounts of flour so you can control the texture of the dough. You don't want it to be too hard, as your naans won't be fluffy. Once your spatula can't stir anymore, you need to transfer the naan dough onto a lightly floured surface. Now you need to knead the naan dough whilst adding flour when it becomes too sticky. You'll probably add 1 to 1.5 cups of flour during this process. The kneading process helps to incorporate air into our mixture, so stick around until we cook these bad boys and you'll see how nice and fluffy they become. Once a cohesive bowl is formed, make sure to present it to both camera A and B and return it to its former bowl. Let it rest and rise for about an hour. Ready, set, action. Cut a piece that's roughly the size of your palm and put it onto a lightly floured surface and work out those muscles. Using a floured rolling pin, roll your dough out, making sure it will fit into your skillet or pan. Make sure it's nice and thin. Now on a medium-high heat skillet, add a drizzle of olive oil and start cooking these beautiful naans. Look at all those air pockets forming. With a spatula, push down on those air bubbles, letting the steam escape, thus forming those awesome charred and blistered pieces of dough. Rinse and repeat until you are all done. You can now eat them with your favorite curry or stew, brush them with some olive oil, garlic and parsley, or add some cottage cheese and a nice crispy fresh garden salad for a quick lunch. Just look at these awesome beautiful colors and textures. It was very delicious. That's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button if you enjoyed the video, and see you next time.